Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her monthly basket for the month of October and November. It's not going to be that much. It's just that I'm shifting a couple of things around and just trying new things out that I already have here. The first thing I want to show you guys will be the Sofia by Sofia Vergara fragrance that I want to wear. It's very soft and very feminine. So definitely am looking forward to putting this back on for the fall. I got this beautiful from AOA, this metal lipstick. It's in gray. So looking forward to trying something different, something new. Also this MAC. It's a pretty lipstick right there. And this one is in the cream in your coffee color. So definitely that's what I'll try for the fall. Also got these two really beautiful metallic colors as lippies. Alright, and this one is called Electric Brown and Golden Rays. A lot of lippies that I'm excited to try out. Also by NYX Professional Makeup, I got the Rebel with the Cause. And here are the colors. Perfect for the season. So I'm excited about that. And the eyeshadow that I want to use for the week. Not eyeshadow, because that was eyeshadow. The blush and highlighter. Smashbox. And here are some of the colors that I would like to try. This is a Blaze Face palette. What is another name of that? There we go. That was my weekly basket tries that I'm going to be attempting to use, since it's something that I normally don't try, and see how they work out. All right, you guys, and that is going to be my little weekly basket. I hope you guys are enjoying the month of October and November. Hopefully everybody's doing quite well. I just want to feel some kind of breeze down here, and eventually, hopefully soon, it'll finally start to feel like fall down here in South Florida. So you guys, I'll talk to you very soon. Continue on being a blessing to others, and I'll talk to you guys later.